at the airport again, heading out on the next adventure with my no coffee, but as you can see, I used the bag. After the last video documenting my travel out of Israel during the war, I needed to change the temperature a bit. That one was heavy, real life, real tension, real weight. But travel isn't always crisis and conflict. Sometimes it's about sun on your face, a place of good food, a cold drink, and a place that reminds you the world still has rhythm. So we're heading back to Jamaica. This one is a follow-up to my Montego Bay video from last year. Same island, new chapter, less breaking news, more about breathing room, and as always, I'm just here to see the place, taste the food, meet the people, and tell the story. Oh, it's a funeral. Yeah. Welcome back to the fast food bonanza. Yeah, so Jamaica. It's a very interesting place, but I don't know. I wanted to do something and figure out stuff that I was curious about. And I'm just curious about the infatuation with fast food. It just, I don't know. Every place that I go is packed to the gills. But look at the beautiful views. Yeah, Kingston is definitely the capital and a major metropolitan hub of the entire country. So might get out and see some other stuff, but for now it's all about, I guess, fast food. We'll see. Our day with Starbucks, and then I don't know if you can see Popeyes, there's KFC, there's Wendy's, there's Burger King, all in the same. I don't get it, but maybe I will after I try them all. Let's go. Okay, the first thing I noticed was this Starbucks looked like countless Starbucks I've been to in the past, even the ones in Seattle. Looks the same. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, the definite Starbucks tastes the same, I think. But right now I'm examining my life choices because it was crazy hot. I mean, so hot. It's like a cauldron. Place one in the books, and it's Starbucks. So, on to the next, and I promise this is not going to become a fast food review overseas, but man, they are so into the fast food in Jamaica. I gotta know. I was curious, so that's what this video is going to be about. You know what it is. I think next on the menu, still a little early, I might come back because they got Wendy's. And of course, as you know from the last video, I don't know if you could see it way down there, Popeyes, because we hit KFC and I didn't go in Popeyes because it took too long. But yeah, we're gonna go check out Popeyes. We got to. Why wouldn't we? All right, I'll get back with you next time with my car, with my Starbucks. That I think tastes the same worldwide. And there goes Domino's, and there goes Burger King. I haven't eaten this. I don't know if I've eaten this much. Well, I don't think I've ever eaten this much fast food in a day, but we're gonna get it done. Let's check it out. The next stop on our journey is Domino's, and I figured I'd throw in this drone shot rather than have you guys sit and watch me stand in line at Domino's. It's quite surprising that it was packed and it was early morning. For cheese and sausage, but I got half pepperoni and half cheese. Yeah, you might want to look at that before you leave the restaurant. But I took that first bite and I knew it was nothing like the Domino's back in the States. Not good. It is not the same. It literally tastes like a frozen pizza. Okay, so now you know. Still had a line out the door, but Domino's, it's just not the same. Maybe I gotta try a Domino's pizza when I get back, because they started skimping on their stuff, so maybe it is the same. I don't know, but not what I remember. Even for you guys, that's all I'm good. Yeah, no more. And now on to Burger King. Believe it or not, it had just opened and there was a line of cars trying to get through the drive-thru, so I came on in to get the order. Whopper. The next stop on the menu, it is time for Wendy's. Let's see what they got. The Battle Royal. Okay, the first thing I noticed about Wendy's is that it was empty. One of the few fast food restaurants I went to in Kingston that didn't have any customers waiting. And yes, that is a fire alarm that needs a battery. I wish I brought a battery because I would have changed it. As I walk away, the Wendy's is definitely a different experience. Not a line. I don't know. Let's check out the burger because it looked like it was pre-cooked or something. But Dave's fresh patty, I'd bet a lot of money that this ain't fresh. It's probably been frozen a few times. Phase 1, the prelim. Sorry about the bags, but as you've seen the signs, they don't like when you eat in, they won't let you eat outside food in either fast food restaurant. Guess I get it. But today we have the Whopper against the Wendy's single. So, let's check out the Whopper first. Let's see what the Whopper's got to offer. Jamaican Whopper. Let's see. Note, for any time that I make a food review video, I'll be taking the food out and laying it on the table first. Live and you learn. Got the cheese. Nothing the worse for wear. Let's try it. See if it's the same. Okay. I get it. It's the same, but it's just a little bit different. with the vegetables. All right, yeah. Burger King is like packed with lines around the corners. Like, what in the world? But okay, it's a good burger. Haven't eaten a lot of Burger King at home, so, but I guess it tastes, yeah, the same. Maybe a little bit better because of the vegetables, or because of the tomato and lettuce, but and they seem like they may season the patty. But here we got Old Faithful. Now this one wasn't packed. And it still looks, I mean, cheese melted, and, lettuce, tomato, but it wasn't packed. It's a Wendy single. It tastes pretty good. You'll see when I went and got it. You see when I was kind of worried, like she had picked up the person making the burger. It looked like they picked up the burger and it was looked like it was already pre-cooked. I don't know, but I can't tell the difference. So I guess Jamaica, keep enjoying the fast food. Yeah, but for the life of me, somebody in the comments can tell me why Burger King has lines around the building and Wendy's had relatively little line. Let me know. But that's it. Maybe it's because Burger King sells breakfast. I'm not sure. I was over there early. Sit back, relax, and next we got the championship. Popeyes against KFC. And we'll see which one I like better. All right, out. Well, back with you, a cut, and through the magic of video editing, the next thing you'll see is me getting ready to have KFC and Popeyes to see which one is best. All right, KFC, scene of the original crime. Oh, the battle, KFC against Popeyes. We're about to do it and see which one is the real. And it doesn't look like there's an hour wait, so let's check it out. Because no eating other food. Totally different experience than Montego Bay. Montego Bay, an hour and a half. Here it was about 45 minutes, but the folks here in Kingston, they wasn't having it. They were not happy, and they yelled at the manager to get somebody else out there. So, but we did secure the bag, the chicken bag, that is. All right, on to the next. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to point out something to you. Central Avenue, right on the corner. And right next to it is Popeyes. KFC street sign, Popeyes. It's toward KFC? Or is it just a coincidence? I think not. But let's try them to find out. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Dun, dun. Yep. We're at the final stop. Popeyes. Again, there's got to be some kind of conspiracy because the KFC was an hour and I come to Popeyes and it's no wait. But they had a line, but yeah, I don't know. Strange. I think it's pretty much the same fare as regular Popeyes back in the States, but let's check it out. Okay, here we go. We got it. The great view. The championship. Alright, we'll go with the undisputed king. And alright. KFC. And the fries are good and crispy, but this is what we're here for. I mean, no matter how many times you have it, KFC and Jamaica is just built different. It's spicy. It's delicious. Palate cleanser. Let's go with it. Ooh. Oh. That. That is spicy. That is juicy. That is kicked up a notch. I think it's some kind of conspiracy because I know I picked against KFC twice. What the heck am I doing? But man, Popeyes. If I'm coming back to Jamaica and I'm looking for chicken, I'm just going with Popeyes. I'm sorry. The hour wait and the chicken's not even better. That is better. Spicier, more flavor. So I don't know what to say. Popeyes is a champ. But let me know what you think.